Welcome to this video comparing the new OnePlus Nord CE6 series. With two distinct phones to choose from, we are here to help you decide which one is the right fit for your needs. Both the Nord CE6 and the Nord CE6 Lite share some core strengths. They both offer massive multi-day batteries, smooth 144Hz displays, 50-megapixel primary cameras, and support for smart bypass charging. While they share similarities, they serve different purposes. The Nord CE6 is designed as an ultimate performer for power users, while the Nord CE6 Lite is positioned as a value champion, serving as a reliable daily driver for budget-conscious buyers. The display experiences differ significantly. The Nord CE6 features a bright, 3600 nit, 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen for excellent visibility, while the Lite offers a 6.72-inch FHD plus IPS LCD screen, prioritizing battery efficiency for daily use. For power management, the Nord CE6 boasts an 8,000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging and 27W reverse charging. The Lite model includes a 7,000 mAh battery with 45W charging, delivering impressive 2-day battery life and emergency reverse charging capabilities. Under the hood, the Nord CE6 runs on the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor with a large vapor chamber for cooling. The Lite uses the highly efficient MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Apex processor, designed to handle daily multitasking while conserving battery life. Camera technology is also distinct. The Nord CE6 uses OIS hardware for sharp low-light photos and 4K video recording. The Lite utilizes EIS software, which is well-suited for capturing great standard daylight photos. In terms of durability, the Nord CE6 features an IP6 9K rating for rugged protection and fixed UFS 4.1 storage. The Lite features an IP64 rating and offers expandable storage via micro SD cards, supporting up to 2 terabytes. To wrap up, consider your priorities. If you need top-tier gaming, photography, and durability, the Nord CE6 is your choice. For maximum battery life and affordable storage expansion, the Nord CE6 Lite is the winner.